Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Eneba mattress coupon code in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to go to the browser and search for Eneba mattress coupon code, and then you can see there are many results showing the coupon codes like grab on, decide me, coupon case, and all. You just have to open. It will be better if you open multiple websites, and then you can see which website will provide you the most discount percentage. So as you can see in grab on, up to 55% off Emma summer sales, so you can get 50% off, and then you can grab on exclusive offer up to 50% off plus extra 10% off on orders. So to see the coupon code, you can click on that. You can see the coupon code here is grab on 8, so you can just simply copy code and paste it on your Emma account while clearing your cart. And you can also click on the get coupon code, and if you redeem coupon code, it will directly take you to the emma.sleep, so you can directly add the coupon code here without copy paste. And if we see on couponkeys.com, you can also see some 20% off, 100 night risk-free trial, trade yourself with 25% off mattress, a mattress from $499. You click on a redeem coupon option, it will redirect you to the Emma mattress shop, and you can just buy your desired product from there. So that's it for today. Hope you find this video helpful. Till the next video.